मध्य रेल भुसावल मंडल पर स्थित है। सेंट्रल रेलवे सीनियर सेकेंडरी इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल भुसावल वर्ष 1873 में स्थापित यह विद्यालय बीते 145 वर्षों से भुसावल रेल मंडल पर स्थित रेल कर्मियों के बच्चों की शिक्षा आवश्यकताओं को पूरा कर रहा है। केंद्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा बोर्ड CBSE नई दिल्ली से संबद्ध यह विद्यालय अंग्रेजी माध्यम में कार्यरत है। विद्यालय को मुख्यालय और रेलवे बोर्ड स्तर पर कई बार सम्मानित भी किया जा चुका है। मंडल रेल प्रबंधक श्री विवेक कुमार गुप्ता, अपर मंडल रेल प्रबंधक श्री मनोज कुमार सिन्हा, वरिष्ठ मंडल कार्मिक अधिकारी श्री ND गांगुड़े के मार्गदर्शन में विद्यालय प्रगति के पथ पर अग्रसर है। प्रतिवर्ष की भांति इस साल भी विद्यालय के छात्रों ने CBSE बोर्ड द्वारा आयोजित कक्षा 10वीं और 12वीं की परीक्षा में उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन से विद्यालय और अपने परिवार का नाम रोशन किया है। आइए सुनते हैं बोर्ड परीक्षा में टॉप किए बच्चों की सफलता की कहानी उन्हीं की जुबानी।
Hello everyone, I am Arya Rajendra Gupta and I secured 94.4% in class 10 CBSE board examination. My father's name is Rajendra Kumar Gupta and he works under Central Railway as CTI. My mother's name is Sushma Rajendra Gupta. It gave me immense pleasure to be the ranker of CBSE board examination. It has given me a lot of happiness and self-confidence. Now, to this movement, my further ambition is to get a prestigious degree from IIT. I made several strategies and I followed it sincerely. And for the comparatively difficult subject, I revised it multiple times. My suggestion to the further upcoming batches is to be consistent and sincere with themselves and with their studies and throughout the year, as smart work is better than hard work. So be consistent, and railway school has given me the best 10 years of my life.
I am Sania Joseph. My mother's name is Subi Shaji, working in Central Railway Hospital as chief matron. My father's name is Shaji Joseph, working in UCO Bank. My ambition is to pursue a career in medicine. I was extremely delighted when my results was declared, as my effort bear fruit. This is only due to the blessings of God, Almighty God, my teachers and my parents. For board exams, I prepared right from the beginning. I used to study regularly. My basic efforts was on studying regularly by making proper notes and revising it every day. For comparatively hard subjects, I used to put in extra efforts. For the future coming batches, I want to advise that I want them to be sincere, pay your full attention in the class. School plays a major role in an achievement by inculcating discipline and imparting knowledge, which are the key factors for overall development of a child. So school played a major role in my success, for which I thank my principal and all my teachers.
Hello, myself Palak Kumari, daughter of Shri Rajiv Kumar and Srimati Poonamji. My father is working as a loco pilot in the operating department of railways, and my aim is to become a doctor and make my parents proud. As being a topper, I have received many best wishes and good wishes from my parents, relatives, and my teachers also. I have many competitors in my class who were doing more better than me, but I was trying the best for improving myself, and at last I got my results. I was totally surprised, but this is just the beginning of my career. I hope I will do more better than this. My daily routine was so simple. I used to read textbooks much as possible, taking power naps, and the most important was the positive environment created in my home. I kept my mind away from all the negative thoughts and just keep practicing on my difficult subjects. I used to tackle more difficult subjects like mathematics. Many students get problem in mathematics, so I would suggest them to please practice them at much as possible. Thank you so much.
Myself, Ritik Mandal, son of Dayanand Mandal, who worked as head constable in RPF, and my mother, Poonam Mandal, is a homemaker. I scored 85% in CBSE Class 12 examination. I am very happy that my hard work pays off. It boosts me and my confidence to set higher goals. I prepare hard for all the exam and tests conducted in school, follow the advice of teachers, and participated with my friends in group study. For hard subjects such as maths, I practice daily 30 to 40 questions, and for subjects like biology and chemistry, I go through the textbook. The tips for the future batch is to go through textbook, work hard, follow the advice of teachers, and study with full of discipline. The school contributes me a lot. For example, it gives me references book for study, shortcut tricks, and advices from teacher and pep talks of our principal. And school also provide me a healthy and competitive environment to thank.
भुसावल रेलवे स्कूल के इतिहास के पन्नों में स्वर्ण अक्षर में लिखे जाने वाला पल हिज रॉयल हाइनेस एडवर्ड प्रिंस ऑफ वेल्स की 1922 में विद्यालय को भेंट। हमारा विद्यालय भुसावल क्षेत्र में एक विश्वसनीय शिक्षण संस्था के नाम से जाना जाता है। हमारे विद्यालय के पूर्व छात्र देश दुनिया के तमाम प्रतिष्ठित संस्थानों में कार्यरत हैं। भुसावल मंडल में कार्यरत रेल कर्मचारियों के बच्चों के लिए, उनके उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए हमारा विद्यालय निरंतर कार्यरत है। मैं आशा करता हूं कि इन सभी बच्चों से प्रेरणा पाकर बाकी बच्चे भी अपने जीवन में श्रेष्ठ प्रदर्शन करने के लिए प्रेरित होंगे। धन्यवाद।